Okay, pose for the camera for me. These look so good. Alright, posted. Someone already commented.
Your dog looks tired. Do you know how to take care of your pet?
Well, he has been asleep all damn day. $300K dislikes. When did Instagram have dislikes? And what are these comments?
Did you teach your dog to throw up gang signs? Are you crazy? The dog is too close to that poisonous plant.
The peace sign is a gang sign now? And the plant isn't even real.
Your dog has a disease called big head syndrome. It's usually caused by owners yelling at them. I'm a veterinarian, so I know.
Wow, you gotta be shitting. Hello?
Hello, I've seen your pic of your dog on Instagram and saw that you have a double cup in the background, meaning you're forcing your dog to...
You know what? I'm gonna just delete the picture. Account permanently banned. What? Come on! Who's that? Put your hands in the air! Whoa, what's going on? We've been told by the President of the United States that you're holding a dog as a hostage. Does it look like he's a hostage? Bark. Sir, I'm gonna need some backup. What the? Really? All this for an Instagram post? Is that fucking Captain America? Yes, I got that, sir. Batman is now in the building. Oh, come on, man.
Well, you